The Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria and other professional bodies have sharply disagreed over the proposed amendment to the ICAN Act of 1965. But Speaker of the House of Representatives, Femi Gbajabiamila, says the intent of the Parliament in the ongoing amendment is to bring the Institute to international standards. National Assembly correspondent Joke Adisa reports.
The Act establishing the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria was passed in 1965. The Parliament says the reviews to ensure the Act is in tandem with global best practices in the regulation and establishment of accounting standards in Nigeria.
There have been emerging economic challenges which have called for necessary amendment to address evolving economic realities for sustainable development of the country. The need for the ICAN Act to be in tandem with global best practices in the regulation and establishment of accounting standards in Nigeria cannot be overemphasized.
Assignment for us today is to thoroughly consider the specific provisions and recommendations contained in this amendment bill, intended to ensure that those provisions serve the desired goal of improving the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, ICAN.
At the technical session, ICAN and other regulatory bodies in the sector are sharply divided over portions of the proposed amendment, especially clauses 21 and 28.
To say that anybody is opposed to the amendment, no way, we support it. But infusing some toxic provisions in order to wrestle from another institute so that an accountant will not only be an accountant, but will also be everything under the sun.
An accountant that has the knowledge of commercial law, he has the knowledge of company law, he has the knowledge of property law, cannot go and stand and say he wants to be a lawyer. So these are matters that because you have basic knowledge of the area does not give you the right to practice in that discipline.
The first speaker said in UK it is no longer the situation that accountants practice tax without belonging to a body or institute that is a Chartered Institute of Taxation or by whatever name called. That is not true. We should state facts, which is verifiable.
This is the 5th time the controversial clauses have come before the National Assembly, and the Committee on Finance is expected to collate all inputs and make appropriate recommendations to the House for further legislative action. Joke Adisa, TVC News, Abuja.